So we were getting car cleaned.
You actually really want to.
And we've decided to roll in road it. We've tried bodging a bigger filter on it, but we can't. And then we realised, hang on, I'm running an air filter delete. 114, you reckon, Dan? What are you saying? I'll be happy anything over 100. What's it gonna make? 127, 114. Bobby, what do you reckon it's gonna make?
You think it's gonna be a Dyno key?
Oh, I think the dyno's gonna blow up. I'm going anything over 100, I'm happy. It's 28-year-old. Dyno time. Dan's 114, Leon's 127, Bobby's 125. I'll just be happy if it makes over standard. 120, the car's 25-year head, engine 28. Don't think this man knows that is going to blow his dyno up, poor lad. Setting it all up. Yeah. Horsepower. It's an 11 so far. Oh, 24. Yeah, 133. First run, we're 133 at like just under 7 foul.